Now in this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the resources feature in StudySocius. And to do that, you first need to be logged in. So I'm going to click on sign in right here. And then it will bring you to your dashboard. Now the dashboard gives you a snapshot of how your studying has been organized and how you're making use of the platform to really streamline your study processes. And so we are continuing with our theme of using Goldwin Harper as our model student. He's a first-year pharmacy student and he's using StudySocius as a way to organize his studying and his whole learning experience. And if you'd like to see the other video tutorials, you'll be able to know how to add to-dos, study goals, assignments, add information to the calendar, use the AI tutor, add notes, make flashcards, use the spreadsheet feature. And also now in this video, we're going to talk about how you can add resources to your StudySocius productivity platform. So you want to click on resources and then it will bring you to this interface. And then what you want to do now is click on upload. And you can basically drag and drop or just simply browse for your files. You could upload any kind of file. And in this example, I'm going to upload PDF as an example. So just going to click and drag it. And then there you have it, is uploaded. And if you want to take a look, what you can do is you can simply click these dots and open, or actually just click on the hyperlink. And when you click on the hyperlink, it brings you to this interface where you can download it or share it. So there are two options to download. You can click right here or also right here. And then you can click share. So click on download and it should show up in a minute. And there you see downloaded. And so you can take a look. So this is maybe like a learning resource you developed or you took notes in class and you've organized it really nicely. And now you want to have a place to store this information. That's what the resources option or feature allows you to do, among other things. So now you could also simply share it without first downloading. So open, and then that would open it up in a new tab. And then you can click download again, or you can simply copy the URL and then you can download it as well. So there are many ways you can download. So really the resources feature allows you to manage your resources. Basically any resource that you're using in your study process can be uploaded here and you can archive it and easily access it. Now the other way this resources feature becomes really powerful is if you go back to your dashboard, or if I just go to assignments, one of the things you can do is in your assignment, you could add a resource. So let's say you're working on your case study analysis for pharmaceutical dosage forms 1. It was an assignment, and in there we are really going to be focusing on capsules and tablets, and you wanted to juxtapose or compare and contrast those two dosage forms. And in there you compile the resource that we just uploaded, and you want that to be readily available to you in the assignment or to anyone who is involved in that assignment if it's a group project. So what you can do is in the assignment feature, there is this option to add a resource, and that resource counts from what you just uploaded. And so in this video tutorial, I just uploaded one resource, but if you had multiple, they'll all show up in this drop down, and then you can click on that. And now this resource is connected to the assignment, and anytime you come in or anyone who is associated with this project comes in, they can readily have access to this resource. It's as simple as clicking on it and then downloading it. So this allows you to really organize your resources in a way that allows you to be more efficient when it comes to your assignments or whatever kind of task you're doing. So that's how you use the resources feature on the StudySocius platform. And just as a reminder, you can upload all sorts of files from PDFs to Word documents, MP3s, MP4s, whatever the file is, you can upload there. And just as a caution, the storage that you have depends on the plan on which you are on. So if you're on the basic plan, you have up to 1 gig of storage. If you're on the standard plan, you're going to have 10 gig of storage. And if you're on the premium plan, you get 30 gig. So the only limiting factor will be the plan on which you are and then how much material you actually intend to upload to your own resource management portal. So hopefully that's useful. And in the next video, we talk about how you could actually add contacts to your StudySocius platform.